My next question to you is that what do you like to say about fail? Fail word. What do you understand by it? Fail.
Fail, it's like we want to do something, we can't do it because we lacking something, or because of condition we are in. Because if you fail once, there is no going back.
Really?
Yes. Why? Because there are times when you have to just pass, you can't go back. You have to win that moment. If you don't, you fail and you fail and fail. No more. There's no chances sometimes.
Do you know the full form of fail?
First attendance in learning. First attendance in learning.
Okay. You have to say what you said.
First attendance in learning. Full form of fail.
Okay. Just remove attendance and add that one word. Attempt.
First attempt in learning.
Yeah. Now what do you understand? First attempt in learning. What does it mean?
Means first thing you have to do is learn.
Okay. First thing you have to do learn. Okay. Can we say in that way? Like when we fail, it means it was our first attempt in learning.
It's like we learned this thing for first time.
Yeah, we learned this thing for first time and we learned through it. Even we got fail, but
Yes.
we learned somehow.
Yes,
We know.
we learn a lot of things even we fail. I am speaking to you in English because I was there at my coaching center. We used to talk in English a lot, and I really from that day, since I got fail, I didn't feel like I have to drop English.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay. How did you get fail? In which way you failed, bro?
It's not like which way. The paper was like 900 marks, 600 GS and 300 maths. I think I got stuck in maths because if you can't pass in maths, they are not going to check your second copy of exam. It's something like that because I have been studying more and more the thing as much as I can, but since still I fail. That's all I can say. I guess I lack in something.
You need to prepare more.
Maybe it's not about how much you learn, but it's about maybe I lack something. I don't know.
What do you feel like you lack that?
It's before paper I was good. I have been taking classes. My health is good, but after that time, when result came, just like I fell. I can't believe it because I really did work for that thing, for ND. I really did. I even left her. I told you we separate.
What you left?
My girlfriend. I told you we separate when we were in 12 because I have to go in Delhi. She have to do different things. So we got separate and lot. I didn't come back. Just everything fails after that.
So much sacrifices there. Somehow I'm understanding, isn't it?
Yes, there are lots of standing. Even I fight my parents for that thing. They won't allow me to go for NDA and a lot, but I still go.
You still want to go there?
Yes, I still.
Why do you want to go to particularly NDA? Why not another?
It's like when we are in 12th in our class, we are 15 bros. We are like brothers at that time. Really, I don't know about. Even I can say that thing in present.
Mm-hmm.
But at that time we are like brothers. We can do anything. That can I say. It's like we can do anything for each other. If I call them, they will come. If they call me, I will go. But still, I'm telling you, we have dreams. We all have. It's different for us. Means we all have to go different places. I want to do this, I want to do this. We are saying to each other. It's just like become passion for us by saying each other we are going to do this. I want to show them yes I did it. But I got failed. I didn't talk to them. It's just everything I told you recently.
I can feel like you're going through a lot somehow. And you're still the fighter, you're still the warrior, you're still going to conquer.
I don't know how much time it will take.
That is true, but somehow you are with your karma, you are putting efforts.
Yes. So, what about you? Tell me a
please
little
ask.
more.
Yeah, sure, ask me what I will.
How was